Hey, Anissa Coy here with Firehouse Education and this week's Ask Anissa video column. And this week, a question came in via email from Ashley, and here is Ashley's question. Hey, Anissa, first off, I just want to say thank you for all that you have given and continue to give to our industry. Well, you're very welcome. I started following you when I began my career in restoration 9 years ago. I have been handling and estimating content jobs for over 8 years now. I was trained by Chris at Fireline to compose my estimate. Recently, our new contents estimator has been hit with the evaluate pack and inventory per insert box size here already includes the box, packing paper, and tape. So why are you charging for those materials? Honestly, Anissa, I have been putting together Xactimate contents estimates and invoices, including both the material and the eval charge. When did that change? Have I lost my marbles? These two recent claims have been the only times that I have been approached about this. Do you have any insight? I greatly appreciate your time. Best, Ashley. Okay, Ashley, well, that's an excellent question. So I'm not aware that that has changed, by the way. I don't use the evaluate per box line item. I don't like that. I like to charge for time and materials, where I charge for my cleaning, and I charge for my materials as well on that estimate or that invoice. So the big thing here is you got to be sure that you are aware of your labor burden for your cleaners, whether that's a supervisor, we charge differently than just say a standard cleaner. And if you're going to charge that way, then you've got to be sure that you're tracking all of your materials. Like I have my critical supplies inventory sheet so that I'm sure I charge for every little thing: Ziploc bags, shrink wrap, bubble wrap, boxes. The box charge, by the way, includes packing paper and tape in that charge, but I charge for everything else: chem sponges, the solution that I put in my ultrasonic tank, and that sort of thing. I feel like this kind of billing that I do, where I'm doing the T&M, really make sure that you are charging accordingly and that you're not worried about your crew taking extra long to clean a box, that sort of thing. And then it really helps out, of course, if you are packing like cleaning method. That's super important, whether you're charging by the box, again, I don't recommend, or you are charging the T&M method, which I prefer. Okay, so hopefully that will help you. If your estimator has any other questions, please don't hesitate to give him or her my email or phone number and have them give me a call. I would love to have a conversation with them. All right. Well, I hope you all found this valuable. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of your questions and your emails. And if you have a question for Ask Anissa, be sure to send me an email to anissa@firehouseeducation.com. And I'm really excited to announce that I'm going to be leaving for Australia right after the filming of this video. So when you're watching it, I'm probably going to be there, hopefully on the beach somewhere, enjoying very warm weather. But I'm also excited because I'm going to do some filming while I'm in Australia for all of you guys. So if you have a question you would like me to do while I'm in Australia, please be sure and send me that email so that I can feature you on next week's Ask Anissa video column.